Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. So this part is a little rough draft, okay? Because when I look back in the inspiration picture, it was a little bit down. It was a little bit down. There it is. Ooh, that hairstyle fine, y'all. I know it. But yeah, that first part was a little bit down. So we just gonna go how I recorded it. I did go back and change that, but as of right now, part temple. Like I said, this kind of like a little rough draft, so you know where we at. So there's a braid in the middle, okay? No bust down middle part today. We're gonna make a braid in the middle. Go ahead and part that out. Now that we got that braid all parted out, we're gonna take our favorite gel and go ahead and make sure that these parts are nice and crispy. Do you hear me? Yes, we want some crispy parts. Now, this is where I went back and I fixed that first parting. I just went under the temple and I just kind of made a bigger half circle around her head, okay? And of course, what I do to this side, go ahead and do it to the other side, okay? Trying to make sure that them parts are nice and even. First went in with some gel, cleaned it up, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and start braiding, get this braid out the way. I put gel on the side of the hair and then I comb the hair through so that when we braid, it's just smooth looking, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'm gonna talk to y'all when I gotta explain the next step. Looking good, it's looking good. Let's move on to the next part. So now we're gonna be parting out the back section, okay? This is another ear to ear part, but I kind of curved it, like had like a little arch. Y'all gonna see here in a second. Was that necessary? I really don't know. It felt good to me. So yeah, so I went ahead, of course, cleaned it up. And then I'm going to be parting this section, that bottom section off, because now we're going to be working on that middle. So with this middle section, I went ahead and parted it in the middle. And then for one side, I went to that middle and then I started to part down to get like, you know, like a little triangle. And then I went back to that middle of that part and then I parted up to make another triangle. And then I was just playing around in it, trying to make sure that both sides were even. But I'm just going to let this play. Yeah, showing y'all. Now I parted several times because I was like, baby, this ain't looking right. It's crooked, but we gonna push through. And we gonna get it and deliver. Okay, now that we're all done partying and you got your part looking like a Jamaica flag, yeah, man, we're gonna be moving on. And so with this part, this is gonna be another braid, okay? We're gonna prep it. We're gonna put the gel around the edges, comb it through, braid it, okay? Oh, yeah, we almost done. Ooh. Okay, so now we're going to put some more gel on the top of the head. And we're just going to brush it back, okay? Now we're just licking everything back. Grab y'all rubber bands. Look at my hair growth oil. Yeah, I made my own hair growth oil. So now we're going to season these rubber bands, okay? Put that oil in. Put that lid back on. Get to shake. Get to shaking, baby. Shake it like a salt. 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 Shake it. And so now we're just going to slick everything, okay? I didn't try to make this ponytail too tight, so I just took a rubber band and I just rubber banded twice around the ponytail. And then, yeah, we just slicking everything back. That's it, that's all. Ooh, y'all. This the finished look, y'all. Ooh. Now, hold on, we gotta do accessories now. No hairstyle ain't complete without no accessories. So I actually filmed this on the 4th of July, so I had to do the 4th of July accessories, okay? If you guys like this video and this hairstyle, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you are new, go ahead and subscribe because I love for you to be a part of the family. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.